Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors. My name's Dom. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely BMW 3 Series. Now this is a massive spec car. 2019 on a 69 plate. It's a 320d, so it's the brake horsepower that everyone looks for. 190 horsepower, especially coupled with that silky smooth 8-speed box. These cars are a delight to drive. Spec wise, we're finished in the better colour, so they've got a few different whites. This is the mineral white, so it's a pearlescent paintwork. Lovely metallic fleck in there as well. We've got the M Performance M Sport Plus package, so different wheels, black kidney grills. It looks a much more aggressive car. We've got the technology package, which I'll show you through to in just a moment. Amongst a few other packages as well. Luxury package. This is a very nice car. So looking around it, we've got full 360 parking sensors on this one, so front, rear, sides. We've got the LED daytime running lights, gloss black kidney grills, gloss black lowers, so your grills, your side mouldings with your cornering lights. Alloy wheels wise, we're riding on these 5 twin spokes. They're in absolutely superb order all round. These are 19-inch alloys, normally come riding on 18s. And then you've got the lovely S-drill blue brake calipers that pop through the wheel there. Looks ace. Riding on fantastic tyres as well. Then Alex, if you show them down the side of the car, you'll not find any dents or scratches. We know the previous owner that this vehicle has come off. He was a very fastidious and meticulous man. And only buys the best, hence why he's been a returning customer for a number of years now. We've got the sunroof, we've got privacy glass coming through to the back, nice sporty boot lip spoiler, rear parking sensors, reversing camera, 320d badging. Looking into the boot, we've got the original tailored floor mats, we've got the first aid kit in there as well. This one's got split folding rear seats, so you've got added room. Tyre inflation kit as well. Everything which was supplied with the vehicle from new is still there today. Same again, looking down the passenger side, paintwork, alloys, all as should be. Now, if we jump inside, we're greeted with the lovely Dakota grained leather sport seats. Very nice and supportive seats. Fully electric as well, so the driver's actually two-way memory, so ideal if you're looking to share the car with your partner. You can be driver 1, partner can be driver 2. It's literally just press of a button then. Just before we jump in the front, I'll show you through to the rear. As you can tell, it's never seen any hard use, so we've got 3 seat belts, we've got ISOFIX in the bottom, we've got the S-drill blue stitching on the seat belts. Looking at the backs of the front seats, the plastic back covers, they're all free from any scratching. And then we've got 3-zone climate, so your rear passengers, they get the full benefit of the climate control as well. Now, let's jump inside. So, once you're in, and Alex adjusts his seat backwards, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. The M Sport ones are nice and chunky in the hand. And you can control most things off of here. So obviously we're an automatic box, so you've got the flappy paddles on there, cruise control, speed limiter, volume and media controls. We've got our park folding mirrors, 4 electric windows. You've got ambient lighting which runs throughout the car as well. It's hard to tell in the sun, but when it's dusk it looks absolutely ace. We've got automatic lights, automatic wipers, as you'd expect on a vehicle of this calibre. Now, we've got the head-up display, which you probably can't really see from that angle. There you go, you can just about see it there. So we've got the head-up display, so you get your miles per hour on there. If you get your SAT-NAV, it sort of prompts you on where to go. Harman-Kardon surround sound, another nice big factory option. And then coming through to the centre display, obviously having the tech pack, you get absolutely everything on it. So media is full phone connectivity. You've got your Bluetooth audio, screen mirroring, so basically mimics whatever's on your phone. DAB radio, all the channels. You've got your satellite navigation, which is very easy to use, very easy to operate. And then you've got your apps as well, so you've got Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and you can install as many apps as you want through there. Heated front seats coming down then as well. We've got our wireless phone charging, that's a part of the package. USB 12 volt power outlet, so all types of charging. And then another nice thing is you can go back to condition. Looking at this, this is all aluminium. So if not looked after, you do tend to get scratches down the centre, sort of where this is here with bracelets and rings. It's fantastic. It's in lovely, lovely order. Honestly, a very nice car. Drive select, so sport, you get Sport Plus as well. Comfort, Eco Pro prompts you on your driving, acceleration, braking, auto hold. And then centre armrest, another thing which is in very nice order with a USB Type-C connection. So, if you'd like anything further on this car, finance-wise, these cars PCP up very, very well. So if you're looking for a low monthly payment, this is absolutely ideal. If you've got a part exchange, we just need a few details. So reg, mileage, bit of info on service history and condition. We'll happily get your price over the phone or via email. But thank you for watching the video. Anything further, give us a call, send us an email. Our phone number is 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.